I've been in such a rut recently and just feeling like I haven't done anything. But yesterday I had such a productive day, and I'm hoping that that'll transfer over to today as well. First things first, I am going to make my to-do list for the day, and then I think the first thing that I'm going to do is just sit and work on my scrapbook. I have been hoarding so many pieces of paper, tickets, maps, things like that for years. Whenever we go on vacation, I just bring back so much random stuff because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use it, I don't want to throw it away. So I've been turning it into a scrapbook. Okay, there's a bit of a glare, but this is my favorite page that I've done. It's from Paris. It's so cool. My Paris. So the next vacation I'm going to tackle, I've done 2 trips of mine so far. One to Europe that I did with People to People. I also did a whole bunch of videos on that whenever I was younger, so if you want to know more about those trips, I'll leave the link to the playlist in the cards. And then I also did my Iceland trip I went on last year, and I also have vlogs of that if you want to see those. And now I think I'm going to move on to when I went on a cruise with my family a couple years ago. So I printed out a bunch of pictures from that. It's honestly so hard for me to pick pictures that I want to use. I have all of the navigators and things that we got every day. I don't want to cut them though, it's going to make me so sad. I just finished having lunch. We did a family Zoom call while we were at it. Our family Zoom calls are always so strange, but in a fun way. Today we did bird calls. Yeah, don't question it. I did 4 pages in here. Hold on. I did all these ones from our cruise. I'm really happy with the way they all turned out. I think they look really cute. I've just been spending a few minutes working on an assignment. I just have to do an Excel crash course thing. Basically, it's 2 assignments. Over the summer, I am getting my business minor. I was supposed to go back up to school to do it, but they moved it online, obviously because of the coronavirus. And so I am getting my full business minor in 10 weeks online while moving house. I'm a bit stressed, but I'm also really excited. I'm super interested in getting this. It's something I've wanted to do for a while now, and so I'm very excited to finally be getting started with it. It is going to be a lot of hard work. I have my class schedule here. This is it. We take 16 credits worth of classes. So my first 2 classes will literally be over next week. I got such a bad sunburn the other day. You can see it better if I take this off, just how bad this is. This is what I get for going on a 3-hour bike ride, It's like super painful. And so I haven't really been able to do any exercise where my hand has to go like that. But I think I'm going to try today because it's feeling a lot better. It's still not like the best, like it's still a very hurt, but I think I can do it because the only workout I have left for Shreddy this week is my arms and abs workout. So like, I gotta do my arms and my abs, and I know that there'll be stuff like where I need to be able to like press on the floor. This is this hand, it's not as bad. This one's actually mostly gone away now, but this one is still pretty bad. It's also my legs and my shoulders. This is why we should wear sunscreen. I did Shreddy as I was supposed to. And then afterwards I was like, I still have some energy, maybe I'll do another workout. So then I was like, I'm gonna try one of the Chloe Ting workouts because, you know, everyone's going on about them and I'm curious as to how they are. I did literally like one video and I am dead. I mean, I was already tired from the Shreddy and then just doing that as well, I'm like, now I'm lying on the floor. I think I might go for a swim. And by swim, I mean lie on a float in the pool, not like actually swim. I don't have enough energy for that. I've been in the pool for a little bit and now I'm hungry. Things I need to do for the rest of the day, it's like 6:30. We are showing our house tomorrow, so I need to make sure that everywhere is like super clean, which means cleaning up that scrapbooking mess. And then I also really want to finish writing out like the homework that I have for my first week of my course. Oh. I just finished watching a movie with my family. We watched Now You See Me, and now I'm going to bed because I'm tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and comment below, and make sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!